from Malaysia. I started street art 10 years ago, so start from graffiti. My inspiration normally is from the nature, animal, and something positive. And also normally I draw my dog around to spread the positive vibe.
We are working on the ghat, we are working in the Mami Gange, and so the theme was to actually keep people aware about the environment and the issues we are facing.
This time I like to mix like the mythology of India, but I don't want to, I need to respect the god, so I draw my own version of the Shiva. I draw the guardian of the forest to show that to protect this place, make sure it's safe, and also to protect the nature.
And we all have Shiva in ourselves. We are the one who actually have to save the river Ganga. The line Prakriti Ka Pehrua was given by Dr. Ashok Chakradhar. He wanted something parallel to the guardian of nature and wanted to add some local element to it. So Pehrua sort of like fit very nicely with it.
मनुष्य ने अपने ठाठ कलाओं के क्षेत्र में जो प्रारंभ किए थे वो भित्ति चित्रों से किए थे। चट्टानों पर या कोई भी बड़ा फलक प्रकृति का बनाया हुआ मिल जाए तो वहाँ चित्रकारी करने लगे। फिर धीरे धीरे कलाएं सूक्ष्म हुई, नृत्य में मानव देह तक आ गई, फिर कागज तक आ गई, कैनवस तक आ गई। लेकिन अब पिछले कुछ वर्षों से मैं देख रहा हूँ पूरे विश्व भर में भित्ति चित्र फिर से लौट आए। वो मनुष्य की वो आदिम कामना कि हम बड़ा पेंट करें, बड़ा बनाएं और ऐसा बनाएं जो दूर से दिखाई दे।